Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Apache Spark SQL. It's an important idea in database. So, what is Apache Spark SQL? Spark SQL runs SQL queries over massive distributed datasets using Apache Spark. It's one of the core ideas in database. Here are the key things to know about Apache Spark SQL. First, Catalyst Optimizer and Tungsten Execution Engine. Also, DataFrames Dataset API plus SQL. Another key point, Hive Metastore compatibility. On top of that, works with Parquet, Delta Lake, Iceberg. Finally, dominant for big data processing. And that's Apache Spark SQL in simple terms. Come back for another database concept tomorrow.